We've been on a wild goose chase all evening, chasing birds off different roosts, seeing what feeds they go to. We're sitting on one right now that we're probably going to hit in the morning. Should have a good wind out of the southwest, which is going to be perfect because the birds are coming from the east. So we'll probably end up laying down in that spread and hunting them right in the middle of this big old cornfield. So right now it's probably about 5 to maybe 8,000. We don't have a really good count yet. We also don't have a lot of the geese that have been hitting it coming out here yet. So we're going to sit and hang out for another 20-30 minutes, watch this feed, and then we're going to hunt these birds in the morning. Yeah, going to probably hit them in the socks and give them hell.
Maybe we'll just get one more band on the necklace.
Yeah, this is a field we scouted yesterday. We have hunted 5 days in a row now, 4 days. So it's a grind. We're hiding in the whites, waiting for the rest of our clients to show up to get everything rolling, and it should be a great time.
Been a little colder. Geese moved in, switching it up from the cranes today, and see what we can do.
I plan on these birds landing in like groups of 100 right here.
Oh yeah.
Granted, if everything goes as planned. It's a fucking gorgeous day to goose hunt. Our best day so far as wind goes. You got headlamps on, sunglasses, anything. Take them off, gentlemen. Kill him up top! Hey, somebody stand up and turn around. There's a lesser right behind us. Middle guys that don't have any guides behind them. Right there, see him? Hey, shoot him. Shoot him. Bird down! How'd you get that? Yeah. Oh, they're hanging up in the wind. It's a lot windier than we thought it was gonna be. They're just real high. So hopefully when that sun comes up, it blinds them a little bit better off these whites and they start playing. It's just a matter of time before one gives us a good rip right out in the hole. So.
They're good. Smoke pulled 2 of them anyway. That's shit right there. Kill him! Get him! Get him!
Those are seagulls coming in, FYI.
Making quick work of them.
They're coming out about 15, 20 yards up, hanging up. So we're taking the shots we can get. Shooters are doing really good. Got another feed started on our stuff over there, but we got more birds coming. So hopefully we can bang a few. June's on fire with the long retrieves. So we're having a pretty good solid hunt. I think we're at about probably 40 birds. We need 25 more. Come on. That volley was gorgeous.
We're on them.
Now boys, this is a pile. This is a massacre. Look at them trying to come in.
Time on the left.
How many more do we need?
Well, we need 11. Birds have started working a lot better. Shooting's definitely progressed throughout the hunt. So I think we got 11 birds left, and we're gonna see if we can get them. It's our only 9:09, so if we can get 11 more birds and get out of here. Shoot. Drop. Good dog.
It's a West Texas banger for you.
All right, well, we just wrapped up a phenomenal goose hunt, 60 birds between 13 guys, so 5 short of our limit, but still a great overall hunt. The guys had an excellent time. The birds were working a little crappy early in the morning, made some decoy adjustments, and I think we had 2 or 3 big groups slide right into the hole. And yeah, we're about halfway through season, so we're still on the grind, probably about 45 days left, so getting after it, trying to stay on them and stay on top of them, but so far it's been a great season to us, so we're gonna keep after them. Tune in to next week's video, guys.